Matter exists in three physical forms: solids, liquids, and gases. Solids have a definite shape and volume. There are strong attractive forces in a solid that hold the particles close together. This causes the particles to arrange in a rigid pattern and limit their movement to slow vibrations in fixed positions. The rigidity of a solid sometimes produces a crystal structure, such as in amethyst and diamonds. More examples of solids are elements like copper, iron, and compounds like salt, sugar, and sand. Liquids have a definite volume but no definite shape. The particles move in random directions but are sufficiently attracted to each other to maintain a fixed volume. Liquids therefore do not have a rigid pattern or shape in structure. Some examples of liquids are oil, water, and alcohol. Gases do not have a fixed shape or volume. Gas particles are far apart, have very little or no attraction to each other. Therefore, gas particles can move at high speeds in random directions. Some examples are hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and helium. This table summarizes the properties of solids, liquids, and gases. Solids have a definite shape, while liquids and gases do not. Solids and liquids have a definite volume, but gases do not. Particle arrangement of solids is pretty fixed, giving rise to rigid structures. Liquid particles are closely but randomly arranged. Gas particles are pretty far apart. Interactions between particles in a solid are very strong. In liquids, particle interactions are strong, but not as strong as in solids. Gas particles have essentially no interactions. Particle movement in solids is very limited. Liquids have moderate mobility. Gas particles move very fast. There are chemical and physical properties of matter. Chemical properties cannot be determined by simply viewing or touching a substance. A chemical property becomes evident during or after a chemical reaction. That is, any quality that can be established by changing the substance's internal structure or its identity. Some examples are toxicity, flammability, combustion, reactivity, and enthalpy of formation. Physical properties can be discerned without changing the substance's internal structure or its chemical composition. Examples are shape, state of matter, boiling, melting, freezing points, color, density, odor, and conduction.